What's up, boys? Mad Lads Outdoors are back. It's bass season. You know what time it is. Night before the trip. We're chilling here, getting ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
5:45 wake up.
5:45 wake up. See you in the morning. What's up, guys? It's 5:03. Gonna go get some starbs, get ready. But first, we gotta wake him up. Where's the light? Whoa. Get up, buddy. It's time to go. It's time to go. It's 5:10 already. It's time to go. Get up. 5:04. Alright, guys. I'm gonna get him up and finally see you on the boat. I wanna die, bro. Oh. I'm a little too tired for this, bro. It's 5:17. A little tiring, I ain't gonna lie. We're out to get some starbs and get ready for the morning. Oh, that's gonna match up perfectly. So, you know, we're ready. Alright, let's go. Impressions on the inside of Earth. I wanna die, bro. Ooh. No way. That's nice.
I need the coffee, bro.
You know you're doing it right when
look at this fat ass getting 2 sandwiches.
You didn't understand me, but we're alright.
He was not our culture.
Fuck.
Okay, so the car won't work. Oh shit! Right when I record it works. That's fucking crazy, bro.
It didn't work for like 5 times, and then it was like stuck. You know what I'm saying? And as soon as this boy goes to do it for the video, bang! It locks in.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Hopefully we don't get stranded. I can even turn this key. Oh, got it. Alright, we're good. Hey, shit.
Oh, hell no.
We're good.
You want me to drive?
No, we're good now.
Fuck me.
That was hella stressful. Like, going from like a car to that is not good. I know.
I was like, crank it. And you cranked it towards, I was like, oh.
Yeah. Look what I did to my rod.
He lost it on a 40-pound bass.
I cast it and the thing fell into the water. So, 30 minutes fishing, and I'm done. Let's go, baby. We still got this bucko though.
You wanna go on?
No. Just catch a fish, please. I want to die.
Got it. Did you get that?
Yeah. Should I put the GoPro in the water? The bass?
No. Oh yeah.
Are you don't need a net, do you?
Oh yeah.
I'm putting it. I'm
that's
putting it in the
enough.
water. I'm putting it in the water.
That's a very nice
I'm putting it in the water. Should I?
That's a damn nice smallie, baby. You give me one to hold this.
Should I get it in the water? Good boy. Dude, don't do it. Don't do it. Dude. Dude. No. You're so nasty. Alright, bro, chill.
Alright guys, not the best day.
I'm gonna kill myself.
At least we got one though in the whaler, so until next time. Alright. Peace, dudes.